Dominic pala is associated with
Walang Forever.
with Walang Forever
By now.
by now by producer John Alon.
Which one during the festival?
That one was just we felt that there was something fishy that was going on. Why Best Picture of all awards? When we all know in the past, pag may award ka sa Best Picture, may award ka Best Director, gano'n, yung malalaking awards, it equals a good showing at the box office. It could help your film make money. Kami, second day pa lang, dami na natanggal na sine sa amin. Kasi nga, mabigat yung pelikula, seryoso, di ba? By the award of Best Picture, malaking bagay yung magiging interesado yung mga tao na manood at pumunta. No? Buti na lang, Congress did their own research, di ba? Na na-connect nila na baka, hindi pa naman proven yan, baka, allegedly, no? May conflict of interest between an MMFF member and a producer of a film. No? And of course, na-connect na lang ng mga congressmen yun. Connect na lang nila na nung na-disqualify yung Honor Thy Father, ang Best Picture and second Best Picture, parehong galing dun sa allegedly connected sa MMFF Execo member. No? So, medyo may kulay. No? So, let's see in the succeeding days if may merit ba yun or mapuprove ba yun.
So, galing po to sa representative, kay representative, na you're not naming anyone dun sa basis sa mga tweets, series of tweets po na nilabas natin.
Meron kaming inkling kasi siyempre maliit lang naman yung pero hindi naman namin ma-prove yun kung wala kaming papeles, diba? Good thing Congress brought it up.